Okay, hey guys, how's it going? Kind of a sad day. I think this is going to be my last ride on the M50 Suzuki. Posting it for sale, so I'm hoping to put this video up to answer some of your questions about the bike. We're going to go out on a quick ride and just kind of do a quick walk around of the bike. A couple things I wanted to point out. It's a 2007, 23,000 miles, liquid cooled, fuel injected. I just did a oil change about a month ago, just regular oil changes on it. Did a coolant flush about 2 weeks ago. This is a brand new Michelin Commander II front tire. I just put that on about a week ago. I was expecting to keep the bike, and then I found a really good deal on a Victory, my dream bike, 1700, and I had to take it. So now this bike's on the market. Put on the brand new front brake pads. They've been on for about a week as well. Did it with the tire. Bought the higher end stuff. Just went into the shop and kind of asked them what they would recommend. Back tire I did not change out, but it's still in really good shape. The pipes have been replaced because it is a branded title and it was laid down many years ago. Everything's been repaired though. The pipes were bent, so I replaced them. I replaced the handlebars, grips, and mirrors, and just got it looking pretty good. This is chrome originally. I got plasti-dip on there. I like the look of the flat black, but you can peel off that plasti-dip, and it's beautiful chrome underneath. This plate here, you can kind of see plasti-dip scratches really easy just from your pant leg. But under here would be this same color as here. And got a Suzuki brand sissy bar and a aftermarket luggage rack. Solid metal though, really solid, really nice. Runs great. Let's take it for a spin. This is a cold start, so haven't started it for about a week. So starts up real nice and easy every time. You're never gonna have any issues with it. I guess to prove that was a cold start, you can see the pipes are nice and cold. It is warm out here, but this thing will start right up in the winter, no problem. I've ridden it in 30-degree weather when the roads are dry. Never had any problem with it at all, period. So let's take it for a spin. I haven't ridden this bike for a while because I've had my new bike, and I love how light this thing is. It's much lighter and more nimble. It handles great, feels great. Really gonna miss it. I mean, it just goes, plenty of torque. It's really light front end too. It just feels nice. It's gonna be hard to let this go. I'm not gonna be able to accept any lowball offers because if I can't get what I'm looking to get, then I'm pretty much just gonna keep the bike until I can get a reasonable offer. It's just a lot of fun. And I just, I know branded titles are a little scary, so I do have it priced a lot lower than a clean title. But I know that everything's perfectly fine on it. Nothing to worry about. Give it some gas and it just goes. Everything works, headlight, brake lights, blinkers. Let's open it up and kind of see what it can do. Woo, doggy. That's 4th gear. Woo, 5th gear. 65 miles an hour. Solid ride. Brakes are great. I haven't really ridden it since I put the new brakes on. And that feels awesome. Ah, this bike's a blast. I'm not just trying to be a goofy salesman. I'm just, I'm gonna miss it. You've probably seen, if you follow my channel, you've seen other videos of me riding this thing. I love it. When I replaced the handlebars in one of the videos, I was talking about how it gave it a weird feel, but that was actually just a low tire pressure. My son's upset that I'm selling it because he loves jumping on the back and riding with me. My daughter wants to buy it from me, but she doesn't have her license yet. Just a fun bike. Good sound, good power, plenty of torque. Yeah, I miss it already. My Victory, you know, it's a lot more power. It's a 1700, this is an 800, but this thing's really light, like right here. I mean, you just feel like you could lay down and just go. Oh, that's a blast. That's a blast. Whoever buys it will have a lot of fun on it, I guarantee it. Let's turn around. You can hear the motor just runs really good. There's no like skipping or anything, you know. The fresh coolant keeps it nice and cool. Regular oil changes, of course. The new front tire just glued to the ground. And this thing's a blast. Let's see if we can lay her down a little bit here. This bike is fun. Full tank of gas for whoever picks it up. Right here. I really don't have much else to say about it other than the things that have been changed out. You know, when the previous owner laid it down and branded the title, I've registered it twice since then. You have no problems registering it. It's got a rebuild title. I have the title. There's no lien on it or anything. The mirrors are great. I actually really like them. Thought about putting them on my other bike. Maybe I'll buy some more. The grips feel good. They have a good look. And it just handles nice. 2007. It's in good shape. It's a lot of fun. And I'll probably just wrap up the video here, so good luck on your motorcycle shopping. Hope to meet you soon, and you won't regret this bike, I can promise you that. Have a good one, guys.